Marcel is doing GUANACASTE, which is Enterolobium. What a name.
I know.
Cyclocarpum. With a junker of 470.
Now, you know you get caught in class with this. You gotta
I know, it's it. Those are my crib notes.
It does kind of smell like burnt popcorn.
Look at that.
That seems way too easy for 470. He almost looks like he knows what he's doing.
I know. It's almost like he's done this before. So Marcel at 1325 did GUANACASTE with a junk of about 470 with a bodrome. And for the notes, it smells like burnt popcorn.
And also, it's flaky, but it clumps up.
It lit right up.
Yeah.
That lit
It
right
lit
up.
right up.
Oh, that's
Look how big that is.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it stays together, even
does,
if it's
it
so
sticks.
oh, flaky. So.
All right.
How broke powder?
Yes, all right, that's yours.
Okay.
Yours to keep.
That spotted pattern that it has in it is kind of cool. That it creates like this.
Oh, that's a burn.
But it's like, you see how it looks like almost like leopardy?
Right, right.
It's kind of cool looking. Interesting.
Sorry, it's crowded in here. Nice and long. Use the whole bone. How does the bow feel? Has it lost tensile?
Yeah, a little bit.
We could tighten it up. Yeah. Nice. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look, it's
Beautiful,
long.
yeah.
So at 1330, Andrew did GUANACASTE with a Jonko of 470. Any comments?
It's really nice.
It's nice.
Yeah,
Lit
it's
right
really
up.
Nice, yeah.
It forms a nice coal. No problem. Actually, I'm gonna go with that.
Yep, it's free.
We're flying.
And this is Eastern Hemlock. But
Sure it
after-
is.
This one after.
Got it, we're flying. How you feeling?
I'm feeling
You
good.
guys feeling good? If you need a break, it's not. I don't care.
I was actually expecting this one to be more difficult with its Jonka. But I
Oh,
feel
it gets worse.
But I felt
It
like
gets much worse.
But I feel like it's I feel like this is really suited. I mean, it just seems to work well together.
Doesn't it? This is why I think if you get things of the proper Jonko, it automatically tells you what's a good method. Sort of. Within reason.